Hello students, in this video I am going to start about asexual reproduction in animals. Asexual means one parent involved and no gamete formation. Number 1. Fission. Fission in this method it is observed in Protista and Monera. In fission, the nucleus divides first and then the cytoplasm. In this, the mother cell splits into two equal-sized daughter cells. This division is of a cell division type. Number first, simple binary fission, which is seen in amoeba. In simple binary fission, the cytoplasmic division passes through any direction is known as simple binary fission. Number second is transverse binary fission, which is seen in Paramecium and Planera. If the plane of cytoplasmic division coincides with transverse axis of the individual, the fission is termed as transverse binary fission. Number third, when the cytoplasmic division coincides with longitudinal axis is known as longitudinal binary fission, which is seen in Euglena and Verticella. Number second is sporulation, which is seen in amoeba and plasmodium. This is an example of amoeba, the process of sporulation. In this, when there is unfavorable condition in amoeba, it withdraws its pseudopodium and it converts into the round shape. It forms three layers, which is known as cyst. This process is known as encystation. When there is favorable condition, the nucleus divides and multiplies. Then it forms pseudopodiospores. This whole process is known as sporulation. Number third is budding, which is mitotic division. In budding, there are two types. Budding means in this method, first of all, cell of some part of the body of the animal repeated undergo mitotic cell division and then it raised region of cell masses are called bud. And then from the bud a young animal develops which is separated from the parent body and it lives independent life. And their two types are exogenous and endogenous budding. Exogenous means bud is produced outside and endogenous means the bud is produced inside the body. Exogenous hydrilla and in endogenous examples are spongilla and cycone. Spongilla from fresh water and cycone from marine water. Number 4 is fragmentation. In this method of reproduction, the body becomes fragmented into several distinct parts. Each part develops the remaining body part and becomes a complete animal. This capacity is known as regeneration. It is observed in Planera, Hydrilla, starfish. Now we are going to see about asexual reproduction in plants. Number 1. Fission. Fission, as we have seen in animals, same as the nucleus divides and then the cytoplasm. Examples are algae, fungi and monera. In birding, examples are algae, fungus. In algae, Ductoria, ficus, protosiphon, and in fungus, yeast. Number 3rd one is fragmentation. Fragmentation, in which examples are algae, Euthyrix, Odogonium, Spirogyra and Zygina. In fungi, Mucor, Rhizopus and Sapronia. Number 4. Spore formation. There are two types of spore formation, motile and non-motile. Ciliated motile spores means motile means movable and non-motile means not movable. In this, examples are Euthyrix, Chlamydomonas, Odogonium. And in non-motile means non-flagellated, it is seen in terrestrial fungi Example, penicillin and asparagus. Plants like ferns, example is Nephrolapis, it produces spores. There are other natural methods and artificial methods by which the plant grows like its own. It's known as vegetative reproduction. It's done by root, stem and leaves. Examples are sweet potato. In root, stem is ginger, turmeric, amorphous, potato, onion, and in leaves, the bryophyllum plant produces leaves on the margin. Agave and oxalis, it produces floral buds, and in Discoria, it produces axillary buds. Lawn grasses produces runner, pistia produces offlets, Nephrolapis produces stolons, mean produces sucker. Number second is artificial method. Number one is cutting, layering and then grafting. And these are their example. In cutting, rose, sugarcane, etc. In layering, rose, lemon, grapes. And in grafting, mango, apple, pear, citrus, guava, lychee and many other fruit yield plants. Thank you.